Unboxing the Yoga Sleep Baby Hush white noise maker. Okay, so here we seem to have the speaker, has a power on, volume up, volume down, and an S button, and it has a charging port. It looks like a micro USB charger, and it comes with a little clip that goes on like this. Okay. Pretty good. And there's this extra box. Let's see. The charger. Here we are, and yes, micro USB. And looks like a pretty nice length, probably about 3 feet. And an instruction manual. Some quick start guide here. And I will first charge the unit, and then I'll be back and we can turn it on and go through the different sound levels. Okay, we have it charged up. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's about as loud as it gets. Press and hold the power button, it'll turn on a night light. Or not. I think it's double tap. I see. That's the night light. Okay. And this S button is going to switch sounds. So 3 sounds to switch through. And let me shut the lights off, we'll see how bright this night light is. It's not too bad. Double tap on the power switch to turn off the night light. And there you have it. Pretty nice product, I'd say. Alright, thanks for tuning in.